G'day guys, it's Paul from Wanderoo Caravans here. And today I've got the pleasure of having Jenny and Mark who have come in all the way from Queensland for a service and a few other stuff. I think we'll run through what, you can let us know what exactly you got done at Wanderoo and tell us a little bit about your time when you purchased the van and what you've done with it. I think that would be something a lot of the customers out there would love to hear and see. So shoot away, Jenny or Mark.
Yeah, sure. We got the caravan in December 22. We then went touring in Tasmania for 10 months. When we
10 weeks.
Oh, 10 weeks. And then we went home to Queensland. And it took us a couple of weeks to get home. We've had it nearly 2 years. We've brought it back now for a service and some modifications inside.
Yep.
We had the club seating in there, but we've got that all pulled out, and the boys have pulled the club seats out and put some nice chairs in there, nice relaxing chairs.
Recliners, yeah.
Yeah, we think that's a better plan.
So your travels from the time that you've purchased it and now, how's the van held up?
It's been pretty good. I mean, there's been one or two minor issues that the boys have fixed.
Yep.
We had a problem with the toilet door, but the roads were, they weren't roads. I think they were goat tracks that we were on. But apart from the toilet door and the stovetop,
yep,
the rest of the van's been great.
Yeah. So the boys have rectified those issues?
Yeah, the boys have fixed them now. We've just had a look at it.
Yeah, yep.
And it's really good.
So you've got a 19'6" Pearl?
Yes.
So 25mm TIG welded aluminium frame is your framing on that particular van? That's what you've gone for?
Yeah. Yes, that's what we went for.
Yep. Suspension, what are you running on?
It's semi off-road.
Semi off-road. So you got the, I think you have the 𝐿𝐴 cross country?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
And it seems very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
We've been in a few tight places and it's bounced up and down. And
have you done any other modifications yourself or?
No.
So it's basically what we see today is how you purchased it when you picked it up.
The boys did that good a job. I mean,
there wasn't much to.
There was no need to change anything.
Maybe we'll have a walk around your van and then we'll have a look at the inside and see what modifications have been done.
Sure.
That'd be a great thing. So we'll just, as we walk around, we'll just have a chat. 19'6" Pearl, semi off-road. You've got your Aussie Traveller windows and your Aussie Traveller door. That's been really good for you.
Yep, no problems with that.
Yep. You got your, what's that?
The awning is really good.
The awning works really well. Yeah, for sure.
Easy to put up and down.
Yeah, they are. They're a very simple operation. You got your 20-litre tanks there with your jerry cans.
Yeah, that's for the alternator, which we don't use much.
Oh, yeah. So you got the Jenny.
Yeah, got a Jenny.
Swift hot water service up the top there. Got a reverse camera and some bar lights. What sort of water tanks and how have you found that? So
yeah,
we've got two 110s.
Two 110s.
The 110, yep.
At the front, and then you got the grey water at the back.
Yep.
So normally I just keep the front one full when I'm travelling.
Yep.
And it makes the caravan quite stable.
So a bit more ball weight.
Yeah, a bit more ball weight.
Ball weight on it.
Yeah.
So what are your weights on this particular van? ATM would be 3.5 tonne. Tear weight around the 2.6, I was going to say.
Yeah, 2.650 or 75.
Probably about 180 on the ball.
Yeah, so we put the push bikes in the front.
Oh, yeah, we've got a few extras. Yeah,
the generator, the barbecues at the front.
A little bit more than that.
So it gives it a bit more because we got it weighed and it was just on the 3 tonne.
Okay, with all your gear in it.
With all the gear in it. So
that's pretty good, really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, that's why I put water in the front tank and the stuff at the front. Gives us a bit better ball weight. I think the ball weight came in at about 280.
Oh, did it? Okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
Well, we got it weighed.
You towing with the 𝐖𝐡𝐲?
Yes.
So you got no problems there?
No. It's been, surprisingly, it's been very good.
Yeah.
I did get a GCM upgrade to it when I bought it, just to make sure, but it may or may not have needed that, but it's
always better to,
Yeah.
You're on the side of caution, really, just so at least your mind is, you're not sort of sitting there worrying about, am I over, am I under,
Yeah, I don't have to worry.
Yep.
We got hundreds of kilos to spare.
Beautiful, beautiful. You got your battery boxes outside.
Yeah, that's part of the new mod when we put the recliner chairs in.
Okay. Yep. So a bit prior, the batteries were under the
they were under the seats. Yeah.
Seats, yep. So they've removed them and put them
in
that
put them
location.
outside.
This is your solar panel, external solar panel.
Yeah.
That we're just testing at the moment.
Yeah, we're just testing to make sure that all the wiring's working. It looks good, and it works well. I have no trouble with 12-volt battery with these solar panels and the panels on the roof.
So you got 400 amps of lithium?
No, there's only 240.
Oh, 240 at that time.
Yeah.
So yours is a 2022 model.
Yes, 2022.
Yeah, a few things have changed since that time. Yep, a few upgrades. Come through and I think we'll have a look inside. I think that's where most of the work has happened.
Yeah. And the toolbox is on the front.
Yeah.
Really good.
Triple lid toolbox. You got your gas bottles.
Gas bottles. Yeah. Generator fits in that side.
Yep.
Barbecue fits in this side.
What type of barbie are you using?
Weber. Baby Weber.
You got a baby Weber Q? Yep.
Yep.
And you got your Grip Sport bike rack.
Yeah.
Well, bikes don't get used as much as we've got.
Yeah. Oh, well, they're there, and if you want to use them, you can use them.
Yes.
So we'll head in and maybe you can explain exactly what you came here for today and what we've done, and we'll go through the modifications that we've done. All right, we're inside now, and we're having a look at some of the modifications that were done. Jen, Mark,
Yep.
What happens in here?
All right, we had the cafe lounge sitting in here.
Yep.
And we thought, we wanted to be a bit more comfortable than what we were.
Yeah.
So we decided to get that pulled out and the recliner chairs put in its place. And that's one of the reasons we came back this week.
Wow. And this is the finished product. You wouldn't know any different.
No.
I know, it looks great.
Looks great, doesn't it?
Yeah, really pleased with it.
So you got the full bench. You got the retractable table that retracts out, and then obviously you've got your recliners.
Yes.
And that's exactly what you were after.
Yes.
Any other modifications? I know we had to fix up the oven after that trip.
Yeah, the stovetop was fixed, but and the door, our bathroom door was repaired, but apart from that, it's all been good.
Good and well.
Yeah.
So what's your plans after here?
Oh, we're heading home after here.
Back to Queensland?
Yeah, back to Queensland. It's going to take us another month to get home. We'll go out.
Okay, so a month to get back home. Yep.
Yeah, we'll go out through Lakes Entrance, up to Bega, through Canberra, out to Young, then up to Coffs Harbour and Pottsville, and then we'll be home.
And then any other big trips planned after that?
We hopefully next year we'll spend a few weeks doing all the hot springs in Queensland. We've done all the New South Wales hot springs.
And that's when you came down. Not long ago. Yep.
Yes.
So now the Queensland side.
Yes, and the Queensland side. There's lots and lots of places that have hot springs.
Yeah.
And it's just so nice.
Yeah, it's good to get out.
Yes.
How have you found Melbourne and the weather? I know you were living here for 3 years.
3 years, yeah.
Yep.
3
years was enough.
Really good weather over the whole weekend, the week that we've been here.
Yeah.
Apart from, I think, Monday was a bit rainy.
Yep, so it hasn't been too bad for you.
No, it's been good.
No, that's good. You recommend Wanderoo?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yes.
Would you come back? Would you, if you had to sell this van and you'd build again with Wanderoo?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, appreciate that.
Can't speak about the boys highly enough.
That's good to hear. It's good to hear. If you guys out there want to know more about Wanderoo, please don't hesitate to give us a call. My phone number is 0466 935 487. You're more than welcome to come to the factory and have a tour of what we do here. Everything's done under one roof. We specialise in TIG welded aluminium frame, and we have a few different innovative ideas that have been released not long ago. So if you want to know more about those, give us a call. Cheers, guys, and thank you very much. Jen,
No worries.
appreciate it. Mark, thank you.